Hi everybody, how are you doing? So in this video I would like to show you a website where I am sharing free Udemy coupons daily, and I'm making this video so that it can reach to many people and many people can benefit from this. I am not earning from this. I don't even have any advertisement on the website. I just want people to benefit from this. I am also a student, and like sometimes we want to get paid courses, like we want to get courses but they are paid and we just can't get them. Even I myself was suffering from this, but right now I don't even suffer from this because I am following the daily coupons myself. I am getting them. So here's my website, and it is kind of ugly now. Please bear with me. I am not a professional at this. It isn't even 10 days old. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing Udemy coupons, and here you can see from the slide event from here. What I did today is I shared some courses in bulk. Like, let's have a look at here. You will see the last post here. Here are the last post, and here in this main website you will see up to 35 courses every day, and I am always updating them. Most probably the courses you see here are posted today or yesterday. You will not see any old courses. So let's have a look at them. I clicked on this one and let's have a look at them. Like here in this post there are more than 10 courses, and most of the courses I am sharing are on programming topics, but it isn't only on programming. Like here you can also see from the categories there are like courses on trading, language learning, programming, like on business, like on Excel, like on how to make courses, on how to earn online, on digital marketing. Like there are so many courses on marketing. Let's have a look at some of the courses. The Ultimate Traffic Master Plan. Click on the coupon and you will be directed to Udemy website, and as you see it is free and 1 day left. Like what I am doing is I added the coupon for you so that you can get it free. Like let's look at this Google Hacks. Yeah, you see that it is free and 1 day left at this price. I mean, you don't have to watch it in 1 day. That means you just have to get it in 1 day and it is forever yours. So you can see many courses here and all of them are free. If any of them are not free, that means that the coupon has expired, or if the course seller opens the course for, let's say, 5,000 people, and if 5,000 people register in 1 day, then it will immediately be paid. It will not stay free for 2 days or 3 days. Like what happens mostly is that we mostly go to websites daily that are like social websites, social media websites, and we don't daily go to these websites. What about if you were to receive these courses to your inbox? Wouldn't this be great? That's the reason we have a Telegram channel, and all you have to do is join these people who are receiving the coupons already every day and for too many courses. So all you have to do is join the Telegram channel and check the courses I am sharing just once daily, and get these courses and enjoy them forever. Let's not forget, the best investment we can do is to invest on ourselves. All the best. Thank you so much.